Now, I know that some of you all know that I was very sick for about a week and a half with stomach bug, and let me tell you, everything grows up overnight in Florida because of the rain like that's coming right now. It gets overgrown. But I want you to see, even though all those blooms didn't do anything last time, I have got blooms all over this dragon fruit again. Hopefully this time they'll set and I'll get some fruit out of it. We'll see. I'll just have to pray and give it to God. And if He wants me to have them, that's good. If He doesn't, well, I'll do without. But that's the way it is in the homestead. Hi there, little buddy. Are you eating your food? Yeah. That's my buck. He is he's a really good rabbit. Very, very calm, very loving rabbit. He's the only one I have left. I called all the rest. And I'm debating on whether I should get me a new buck too. He's beautiful, but I don't think he's performing like he needs to. I've been doing some research and trying to find someone around here close that has rabbits to sell, but looks like I'm going to have to go to Ocala on the other side of the state to get anything